So this is just a shorter version of the last video I uploaded going into detail on the Remark S2000 high flow cap, but I have three here, Berk and EVS. EVS is not for sale anymore. This was a gem when you could get it back in the day. I was lucky enough to find one local. This weighs about 5 pounds. It's a 200 cell per cubic inch density high flow cat. It's roughly the same outer diameter and length and location as the Berk. One thing to note when looking at the EVS is that it appears to be roughly 3/4 of an inch longer than the Berk or the Remark. So I'm not sure if that pushes your catback exhaust back, and the fitment's a little bit different, but just something I noticed when looking at this in detail. EVS tuning has the O2 bung welded in the cat. It's a defouler setup where it spaces the O2 sniffing element out of the stream of the exhaust with a pinhole. Very similar construction to the Berk. The bad thing about the Berk is it uses a MagnaFlow cheap high flow cat core. This is the same deal with the Rockstar Garage. I made a previous video about the Rockstar Garage cat last year on the channel comparing it to this Berk. Both of them are pretty much the same product, just with different flanges and welds depending on who made them, but the actual catalyst itself was that cheap MagnaFlow cat that is known to fail. So right now this one is a test pipe on my car, being that it failed and I stabbed it out, but I'm trying to go back to a high flow cat now, so these are the two options I picked up. Like I said, this is about 5 pounds. The Berk is about 7 brand new with the catalyst. Right now it's a test pipe, so it's about 4 pounds, and the Remark comes in at about 8. OEM cat is about 11.5 pounds to 12 pounds, depending on what scale you weigh it on. So any of them offer significant weight savings, but the EVS with the catalyst element is the lightest of them all. You can't find these anymore, like I said. If you can find them intact, with low miles and whatnot, in good shape, I would pick one up still, because they do not really have any reported failures online. I haven't seen anyone really reporting this failing during track use. I'm sure they all fail after a certain amount of abuse on track, but not many people have posted about this, and I know a lot of people purchased this back in the day. So one thing to note is the EVS tuning cat, I believe, is made overseas as well, in Taiwan. Correct me if I'm wrong on that in the comments. MagnaFlow cat, known to fail, even though it's quoted as an American company. But the Remark, reached out to them. The catalyst itself is the most dense, so it's EPA certified in 46 states. You can get this shipped to yourself unless you live in New York, California, Colorado, or Maine, which is why the cost is a little bit more. It's a little more R&D and that certification for Remark to achieve. To achieve that, the O2 sensor is in the exhaust stream, and they did mention that it is a possibility you may get a check engine light. It varies car to car, so if you reach out to them before you order, they can include an O2 spacer like this that should eliminate that from even being a possibility. But as I mentioned in my last video, that does reduce the cross-sectional area and flow of the pipe, being that even the spacer or the O2 sensor itself would stick in the stream just like your factory setup. Much larger diameter, much longer cat element, also welded much closer to the outlet of the cat, which is a better location for it to do its job. Besides the Remark here in 2025, the only other options I know for the S2000 for a high flow cat are you can get a Berk and run it. It's probably fine for street driving. If you do track a lot and autocross a lot and put a lot of heat through this, it will fail. It's just a matter of time. I always thought I was the one that didn't fail until I took it off and it was all falling apart inside and I had no idea. But the only other options I know of are, there's like a Toda version you can get from Japan that's somewhat affordable still, but the construction I question, because the inlet and outlet of the cat itself look pretty squared off. Like EVS tuning here is the shallowest angle for the flow contour for the transition and the flare on it. But the Toda one looks like it's a straight wall, so I imagine that doesn't help flow very much. You can get an HKS high flow cat. However, those are close to $1,000, so close to OEM cat money for that. And I don't really have much info on the HKS. So you got Remark, you got HKS, you got Toda, and you got the Berk. Not sure if Blade Sports still sells theirs anymore, but those are the options I know of for the S2000 here in 2025. There's not as many as it used to be in the past, but I haven't found much information about this one online, so if you want to know more information about this, check out the link in the video description below, where I go more into detail on this new cat from Remark.